Kia ora. Back into it. Back in the workshop. Trying to finish off the van 1 year later. The thing is, you keep finding things that are buggered or broken. Warren's just spent another day working on the wiring. Thanks to Warren. If you've got any single mums or nanas that you'd like to hook up with Wilson, 0800 rent a old dude. He's your man. He's pretty good on the old electrical work as well. So he's sorted out the van. But I keep finding buggered stuff, like this accelerator setup. It's supposed to pivot like kind of freely. It's actually broken a weld there on that pivot point. So that's all like this. Can you see that? A shout out to the bro, Rapid Rota Racing. If you know, you know. It's an old OG Rota dude from back in the day. Him and his young fella hooked me up this morning. Shout out to the bro at Rapid Rota Racing. New accelerator pedal. New old new, what do you call it? I don't know. Is it old, is it new? New for this van, that's for sure. We're gonna bolt that thing in and then try and make the accelerator cable work. I'll show you that stuff later on. Oh yeah, let's put my name on this in case I need it back later, Bill. So that pedal's all bolted in now. Bit of a tricky spot. You can see I've got the cable coming through the floor. Down here. We'll put a clip on there shortly. But for now, gotta set this up. It's just a couple of 12mm nuts. One on this side, one on that side. Already put that inner down in there. Just behind there, it's in there. Show you what that looks like. Looks like that because I don't want to take it right back out. Just got a model washer for that maybe. There's one that's already done, but I might do it a bit better than that. Should look like that. So I've put this on and set it up down in here, and that cable comes around to the pedal. So once you've got the cable end in the spindle down here, you can adjust this to where you want it, and then put one of these on at the other end. Bit rangy, but it works. Okay, I had to pause halfway through because I dropped this bit under the van. I actually had to hook a rope up to the van and drag it back and then find it on the ground. So the next mish is slide that down that cable there and then do those screws up on that speaker joiner thing. I got a little bit sidetracked. Cleaning out the back seat area, the glove box, the dash. Had to pump up the tyres, and then I cleaned out all in there. and I drive it down the road, hopefully all of that comes out. But that was an absolute fucking mess. It's starting to look pretty tidy. So I'll get this bit on and try and find something else to do. So if you want to win this bit of van memorabilia, so I don't chuck it in the scrap bin, everything else I'm going to have to throw out soon, let me know your best memory of the van. If you saw it on its travels across the North Island, across the South Island, if it touched you in some kind of way, like it has me, let me know in the comments. I'd be keen to hear your feedback. Anyway, now the accelerator cable's done, I'll just wait for Warren to come back, hopefully one day this week. And you never know where you might see the van next.